Hello, my name is Terengineer, and welcome back to Let's Say. And this is possibly is so I saw the one for the Twitch streamer for the his building PC complete, but his use is press the power button up for the case, but something is not good happening for the. Let's see what's happening here. And I don't know what's going on here, and so let's check out for the Twitch streamer for the inside. Okay, so he is taking the cable for he's taking the power cable just already to the just started for the PC. So he's building a complaint or anything. So let's watch.
You hear still? I'm gonna plug it in and see what happens.
It's checking for the PC. Okay, so he's already to press the power button for the case for the power button, and let's try out for the start up for the PC. Let's see what happens. Oh shit! The PC is on the fire. So guys, you can see the smoke is on the PC. But so close for destroy it. Luckily, so the PC has been for the just shut out for the power. It's out of power. It's gonna turn off. Holy shit, this is no way. And this booting configured PC, so it's not possible for the case for the two side by side here, and the PC is firing, but this is not possible. But how? So let's keep watching.
I don't know.
He's checking the cables. Holy shit, boy, this is fucking this. And I think I didn't know what happened for the PC building company. Just test the press button for the power button, and this is fire. Not good. You must choose right for the building the PC. Just please. Oh, so you can see there's this streamer and his building computer PC. He's press the button for the power up, and the sound is not good, and his fire is smoking here. How was quarters on the PC was firing. Actually, luckily, there's no firing with the PC here, PC building, and here. There's very carefully for your building the PC. Alright, so then thanks for watching everyone. Hope you join guys in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. But now I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye.